There is a community that I represent that had some foundation issues. The building was built 40 years ago. They've had issues for a long time, and they knew stuff needed to be done to keep the building safe and sound and up to code. My name is Stacey Huntington. I am a property manager, HOA manager. It's a lot of moving parts because it's the foundation. It's really difficult until you get underneath the building and have someone that knows what they're doing. It's expensive, and the HOA had to get a loan. So the expectations are, if you're going to do all this, it has to be done correctly. For state regulations, having an outside company was a prerequisite. The board was interviewing different engineering companies, and they really liked Jen's and his expertise. He knows what he's doing and gave them the answers that they needed. J2 went in and did a comprehensive look over of the whole project and has taken the reins, and they've done a really good job. They are meticulous when it comes to working with the contractor, the city, and getting permits. So very willing to work with the board members to explain the process and how to solve the problem so they don't have more issues in the future. They are great communicators and have made it really quite easy for the HOA to go through all of this. The beauty of working with J2 is I didn't have to worry about the day-to-day process, and I am able to do my job effectively because I knew with J2 we were in capable hands.